A giant leap. Introducing SpaceX's Starship. Space exploration is about to change forever. SpaceX, the private space company founded by Elon Musk, is developing a revolutionary spacecraft. It's called Starship, and it promises to be the most powerful rocket ever built. Musk's vision is ambitious, to make humanity a multi-planetary species. Starship is the key to achieving this goal. Starship is not just another rocket. It is a fully reusable transportation system designed for deep space travel. Imagine a future where traveling to Mars is as routine as flying across the Atlantic. This is the future that SpaceX is striving to create. Starship represents a fundamental shift in space exploration. It moves away from the traditional, expensive, and expendable rockets of the past. Instead, it embraces reusability and efficiency. This makes space travel more accessible and paves the way for ambitious missions to Mars and beyond. The journey to becoming a multi-planetary species begins with Starship. Reaching for the Red Planet, Starship's mission to Mars. Mars, the Red Planet, has captivated our imaginations for centuries. Its rusty red surface, polar ice caps, and the possibility of past life make it an irresistible target for exploration. SpaceX's Starship is designed with one primary goal in mind: to take humans to Mars and establish a permanent human presence. Starship is not just a passenger spacecraft, it is a powerful cargo transporter capable of carrying over 100 metric tons of supplies to the Martian surface. Imagine the possibilities: habitats, laboratories, rovers, and everything else needed to build a self-sustaining colony on Mars. Starship will make it possible. The journey to Mars is long and challenging. The Red Planet is, on average, 140 million miles away from Earth. Starship will be equipped with everything needed to support a crew of up to 100 people on this months-long journey. This includes life support systems, radiation shielding, and even recreational areas to keep the crew healthy and entertained. The power of reusability, making space travel affordable. For decades, space travel has been plagued by one major obstacle: cost. Traditional rockets were designed for one-time use, making each launch incredibly expensive. SpaceX aims to change that with Starship. Reusability is at the heart of Starship's design. Both Starship and its Super Heavy booster are designed to return to Earth and land vertically after launch. This is analogous to how airplanes are reused for multiple flights, drastically reducing the cost of air travel. Imagine the implications for space exploration if we could do the same with rockets. Reusability will revolutionize space travel. By making launches more frequent and affordable, Starship opens up a world of possibilities. From scientific research to space tourism, the potential is limitless. SpaceX envisions a future where space travel is no longer the exclusive domain of governments and billionaires. It will be available to everyone. A Starship for the ages: design and capabilities. Starship is a marvel of engineering, a testament to human ingenuity. Standing at 120 meters tall, it is the largest spacecraft ever built. Its stainless steel design ensures durability and heat resistance. Powered by 33 Raptor engines, it boasts unprecedented power. These engines use methane and liquid oxygen, potentially harvestable on Mars. With a payload capacity over 100 metric tons, it can transport essential equipment. Starship is a symbol of human ambition and exploration. It represents our desire to push boundaries and explore the cosmos. Its design reflects a future where humanity ventures beyond Earth. Section 5. Building a home away from home. Starship's role in Mars colonization. Establishing a permanent human presence on Mars is a monumental undertaking, requiring careful planning, advanced technology, and unwavering determination. Starship will play a crucial role in every step of this endeavor, from transporting the initial colonists to delivering the resources needed for a thriving Martian city. Imagine a fleet of Starships arriving on Mars, carrying everything from prefabricated habitats and life support systems to scientific equipment and construction materials. This is the vision that fuels SpaceX's efforts. Once on the surface, Starship's cargo capacity will be instrumental in expanding the colony, deploying rovers, setting up power grids, and even building greenhouses for sustainable food production. Starship is not just a delivery service, it's a lifeline to Earth. It will facilitate regular flights between the two planets, ensuring a steady flow of supplies, equipment, and, most importantly, people. This will be crucial in the early stages of colonization, allowing for the rotation of crews, delivery of vital resources, and continued support from Earth. Section 6. Fueling the future resource utilization on Mars. One of the biggest challenges of establishing a self-sustaining Mars colony lies in reducing our reliance on Earth for resources. This is where Starship's innovative technology and Mars's own natural resources come into play. SpaceX plans to utilize Martian resources to generate methane and oxygen, the propellants needed for Starship's Raptor engines. This process, known as in situ resource utilization, or ISRU, is critical for making long-term missions on Mars feasible. Imagine Starship not just delivering cargo to Mars but also returning to Earth with Martian resources. This could revolutionize space travel, turning Mars into a refueling station for further exploration deeper into our solar system. Beyond fuel, Mars possesses valuable resources like water ice, which can be used for drinking, agriculture, and even generating breathable air. Starship's ability to transport heavy equipment will be crucial in setting up the infrastructure needed to extract and utilize these resources, paving the way for a thriving and independent Martian colony. Section 7. The Journey of 1,000 Miles. Starships, Testing and Development. Developing a spacecraft as ambitious as Starship is a journey fraught with challenges and setbacks. SpaceX has adopted an iterative approach to testing, pushing the boundaries with each launch. From the early Starhopper test flights to the recent high-altitude tests of Starship prototypes, each launch provides valuable data that informs the design and development process. These tests refine complex systems like its heat shield, Raptor engines, and vertical landing capabilities. The journey to Mars is paved with the lessons learned from these tests. Each successful launch brings us closer to interplanetary travel. Section 8. Overcoming the odds, challenges of Mars colonization. While the prospect of colonizing Mars is exciting, it's important to acknowledge the immense challenges that lie ahead. The Martian environment is harsh and unforgiving, with a thin atmosphere, extreme temperatures, and high levels of radiation. Addressing these challenges will require innovative solutions and unwavering human ingenuity. Creating a habitable environment for humans on Mars will be no easy feat. We will need to develop sustainable life support systems, protect ourselves from radiation, and find ways to grow food in Martian soil. These are just a few of the many hurdles we must overcome to establish a permanent human presence on Mars. Beyond the technical challenges, there are social and psychological factors to consider. Living on Mars will require humans to adapt to a completely new way of life, far from Earth and its familiar comforts. Addressing these challenges will be crucial for the long-term success of a Mars colony. Section 9. A New Era of Exploration. Starship's Impact on Interplanetary Travel. Starship's impact extends far beyond Mars. Its development marks a turning point in space exploration, ushering in a new era of interplanetary travel. The technologies developed for Starship, such as reusable rockets and in situ resource utilization, have the potential to revolutionize how we explore our solar system. Imagine using Starship to establish a scientific outpost on the Moon, a mining operation on an asteroid, or even a mission to explore the moons of Jupiter and Saturn. The possibilities are as vast as space itself. Starship's ability to transport large payloads and its potential for refueling in space open up a world of opportunities for scientific discovery and exploration. Starship is not just a spacecraft, it's a symbol of human ambition and our unyielding desire to explore the unknown. It represents a future where the boundaries of our world are no longer defined by the limits of our planet, but by the reach of our imagination. Section 10. The Future Through a Starship's Window: Possibilities and Opportunities. As we peer through the metaphorical window of Starship, we glimpse a future brimming with possibilities. Starship's development has ignited the imaginations of people around the world, inspiring a renewed sense of wonder and a thirst for exploration. The potential benefits of space exploration extend far beyond scientific discovery. The technologies developed for space travel often find their way into our everyday lives, from GPS navigation to advanced materials. Space exploration fosters innovation, pushing the boundaries of science and technology, and inspiring future generations of scientists, engineers, and dreamers. Starship represents a future where humanity is no longer confined to Earth but ventures out into the cosmos, seeking new knowledge, new resources, and perhaps even new life. It's a future worth striving for, a future where the impossible becomes possible. Section 11, To Mars and Beyond, a vision of humanity's future. Starship represents a bold stroke, a testament to our enduring spirit of exploration. It's a symbol of our ambition to transcend earthly limitations and reach for the stars. The journey to Mars is just the beginning. Starship is a stepping stone to a multi-planetary future, a future where our reach extends beyond Earth. This is the future SpaceX envisions, making space travel a tangible reality.